Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we will discuss the bandwidth of the PCM, that is pulse code modulation. So let's get going. Pulse code modulation is the technique in which we transmit our signal from one place to another hand. So why we are transmitting it with the help of the PCM? Because when we transmit our signal with the help of PCM, it will be eliminated from the noise. So it's the benefit for us to transmit our signal with the PCM. Let's suppose we have a random signal and we transmit it through the PCM. And in the PCM, we first change our analog signal into the digital one to transmit it through the channel. So as we know that the bits are generally represented as a rectangular pulse. When we transmit a rectangular pulse from time domain to the frequency domain, so in the frequency domain, the transform of the rectangular pulse is a sinc function. And as the bandwidth of this rectangular pulse is TB, so we got first term as the 1 by TB. So we know that the bandwidth is the highest positive frequency minus lowest positive frequency. So therefore bandwidth is as 1 by TB. Reciprocal of the TB is the RB, that is bit rate. What is RB? To know that, please watch the video till the end. And RB is also as the NFS. Let's suppose this encoded symbol 011 is transmitted through the PCM. And let's suppose the transmitter signal has the N bit. And to understanding, we are assuming as this is a 2-bit duration sample. So to transmit 2-bit, how many second time duration is used is called as the TS, and we called it as the duration of the n-bit sequence, and the duration of 1 bit is called as the bit duration, and we denote it as the TB. So bandwidth of the PCM is the reciprocal of this time duration TB. RB is the bit rate. We define it as how many bit we are using in a 1 second, and we define it as the multiplication of the bit per sample multiplied with sample per second. To define one sample, how many bit we are using is denoted as the n, and in a 1 second how many sample we are using is as the sampling rate, and we define sampling rate as the fs. So we find RB as the multiplication of n into fs, and we know that the reciprocal of the time is frequency, so we can also write RB as n by ts, and ts is the time duration in which n bit sequence of duration TB, because 1 bit is represented by the time duration TB, so we can write n by ts as 1 by TB. So RB is as 1 by TB.